Hello students. So some of you will be thinking, ma'am, really how to read NCERT? It is just a book. I start reading from the first till the last. But let me tell you, when you're going through your NEET preparation, some of the students might have come from state board where they had a different book, or let's say the content was a little, relaxed. But suddenly when you jump to NCERT, there's a lot of things that you really don't understand. So I am going to tell you what is the right way to read NCERT and what is the right way to make notes with the help of NCERT. Because we already noticed that in NEET 2025, the paper was pretty much NCERT, but the way the questions were framed was totally different. And that difference is because we do not question every single line that we read. So this time we are going to make sure that we read NCERT properly and make notes properly. And if you're new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and also quickly smash the like button so you can show all the love that you have for us through these videos. Now students, let me just tell you how to read NCERT. It's very simple, no rocket science. I'm going to tell you directly the steps. First of all, read NCERT line by line. Now for students who have just passed their 10th to 11th and looking at NCERT itself making them scared, then do not directly start reading NCERT, but instead start watching lectures of the topic and then come back and read NCERT, because if you really do not understand the concept, then NCERT can make your life a little more miserable. And we noticed that during our DNA batch as well, I was just reading 2 lines of NCERT and students could not understand anything. Why? Because they were not sure about the concept. But the moment I explained the concept and came back and read NCERT, everything was crystal clear to them. So yes, first, watch the lecture, then read NCERT if you are scared looking at NCERT. Otherwise, read NCERT line by line, highlight the keywords while reading, write only keywords, processes and tricky lines. This is very important. There is a tendency that when we start highlighting our NCERT, we start highlighting every single word of NCERT. But when you're preparing for NEET, only the most important words, the process, the tricky lines will turn out to be an assertion, reason or a statement based. Now, draw diagrams neatly, label everything. It's very important how much you look at the diagram. Close your hands and try to learn the labeling. At the same time, draw the diagram. These 3 things are connected. You will always notice that in my class, I always draw every single diagram for you, even a paragraph where there's no diagram present. Let's take example. Let's say RAS mechanism or your JGA mechanism. There is no diagram given in your NCERT, but I make sure to draw the diagram because it's more better to visually look at these things. Okay. Last one, add PYQs related points in the margin. That means wherever you see that, okay, this can actually become a potential question, mark it there and make a PYQ out of it. Okay. Now look at this. I have just highlighted and let's see how my highlighting is really important, or is this actually good? Let's see. Muscle fiber is anatomical unit of muscle. Easy statement based question can be framed out of it. Now I have highlighted few words. Myofibrils contain many serially arranged units called sarcomere. Very important definition I have highlighted in blue. Now that sarcomere I have told the functional units. That's it. I have just underlined sarcomere and it is a functional unit. Simple. What is a sarcomere? It's a functional unit of the muscle. Simple, right? Now look at down. I have told a central A band made up of thick myosin filaments, 2 half I bands made up of thin filaments are present on the Z line. So basically I have underlined this for a student who is doing a last minute revision, not for a student who is doing an initial minute of revision. Because if you are doing initial minute of revision, then you will end up highlighting the entire paragraph. I have done this only for a student who is doing a last minute revision. Okay. Now look here. The active sites for myosin on the resting actin filament are masked by protein called as troponin. Very important. Okay. Myosin head contains. So I did not see myosin head ATPase and has ATP binding site. Very simple. And also active sites for actin. So if the question comes, what is present inside the myosin head? First you write ATPase, then you write ATP binding, and then you write active sites for actin. So this is exactly how you should highlight your NCERT. Understood? I hope this is a very visual presentation of what you should do. Now, mistakes that you have to avoid while making notes. And students, let me tell you, how much you download my notes, how much you love my notes, that much you should love your notes and that much importance you should give it to your notes. Because for every topper I have spoke to, every student who is right now in their dream medical college, I have heard them all tell one thing. I used to make notes. I used to scribble in every class when I'm attending. Be it YouTube, be it offline, be it online, I used to write down what the teacher used to say. And yes, that has drastically improved my preparation. So your notes is gold for you, and it is very, very important during your preparation. So copy pasting the full NCERT paragraph, completely wrong. No heading, no subheadings. Nothing is there. Just you started scribbling, but write something. Sliding filament theory, just write that so that down whatever points are there, it is related to it. Ignoring diagrams. Last year taught us that how important even a simple diagram that we tell her, hey, this diagram, how can they ask that? That also comes. No space for PYQ addition. That is whenever you're writing notes, wherever a teacher makes their own PYQs. Now, when I'm teaching in my, in my batches, I make questions, immediate questions I make. So those questions have to be noted down just below your notes. So what happens when next time you're revising, you'll be like, okay, wait, ma'am asked some different question, and you will be able to solve that question. Not revising your notes. Oh my God, students, I have spoke to every topper and they tell that last minute I have focused on my notes more than any other teacher's notes. It's not because teacher's notes are bad, but I have written it, I know what I've written, and I exactly know what I mean, whatever I have written. So that kind of clarity only comes for a person who has written the notes while studying. Now, level up your notes game. How? Use sticky notes for extra points. Make your book colorful. Make your notes colorful. I do not mean sit and decorate it, but put sticky notes for the extra points. Especially here, they've written coaching ad. That means whatever we say in the class, during our coaching classes, during our offline or online classes, you need to make a note of it, because we teach a lot of things extra now, right? Now, turn statements into question. My God, students, I don't know how much I couldn't stress on this point. This was one of the biggest faults that we did in NEET 2025. Not asking question, not questioning NCERT line by line, asking why, which, what. Now we are going to do that. You have to make questions out of every single statement. You read a statement, ask why. You read a statement, ask when. You read a statement, ask which. And let me tell you, you are going to thank me later. Next year, right at this time, or next year, right at this time, you will watch this video and you will thank me. Ma'am, I really could make my best notes. Now look here, use app like Notion or OneNote for digital lovers. That is, students, if you want, only you can do this. Otherwise, you can completely skip this. Keep one page per topic for final 15 days revision. That is, when you're scribbling, let's say you're watching a one-shot lecture. In that one-shot lecture, the entire lecture has to be in max to max 2 pages. That is, only write the important words and points. And that you can use it in last 15 minutes. That is, in the month of April, you can use that for final revision. So these are some things I wanted to tell all of you. And if you're a student who is looking for a 2 years proper course, then I have something for you, students. We have our NEET Pro batches, and you will not believe there's a flat 20,000 off for those students who are taking a 2 years NEET Pro, and a 10,000 rupees off for those students who are taking a 1 year pro courses. Now, what is so special about your 1 year pro course or 2 year pro course, ma'am? Nothing to hide, directly right in front of you. You're going to get a master teacher, you're going to get a personal teacher, you're going to get a proctored class. You cannot move from the screen when the teacher is teaching. If you look away, if you move, you're going to get first warnings, and multiple times if you end up doing or you go missing out of the class, your parents are going to get a call. I know you might not like this feature, but it is very important that all of you tell, no ma'am, I want offline like experience. What is this offline like experience? That is, a teacher is watching you. That is exactly what is going to happen here. A proctor class, okay? Doubt app is there, soft copy of Tattva, hard copy of Tattva, daily assignment, Tattva discussion sessions weekly is going to be there, recorded classes, notes, pedagogy app, VBuddy, marathon class, test, reports, 360 paper analysis. How did you do? How did you do in the first week of your crash and how, batches, and how did you do in the last? Everything will be recorded. You're going to see your graph. Did it go up or did it go down? If it went down, your parents will have a PTM immediately asking about what's happening at home. Is there something that is disturbing the child, or is there something problem with the teachers? Everything will be dealt. And students, lot of very, very qualified teachers are there. With the qualified teachers, extremely dedicated operational team is there for the pro batches. Even for our prime batches, we do give all the quality possible. But see, please understand, students, there's a limit. For prime batches, there's a limit. But for pro batches, it's like a family where our co-founders, CEOs, everyone are involved in this, okay? At the same time, your parents also are in loop. So you're going to get class engagement reports, how fast you are answering, how good are you in the class, how much are you talking in the class, how much are you engaging with the teacher. You're going to get that. PTMs are going to be there. You're going to have parents teachers meeting. That is, your parents are going to get the update of your every single test, every single class performance on a regular basis. Okay, and parents app is going to be there where they can check your progress, and ultimately VIP. What is VIP? If we do not offer you improvement, your fees will be refunded. Yes, we can stand very confidently. If I'm able to stand today and tell this, that's because Vedantu has made results in the pro batches, n number of results in the pro batches, and that's the reason we are able to tell this. Okay, so if you're a student who's looking for a genuine 2 years batch which is off online but gives the offline experience, this is the batch for you. The link is in the description. Just scroll a little and you will see NEET 2 years pro batch and NEET 1 year pro batch. So depending on your classes, you can take this. I hope this video was really helpful to you. So students, the decision that you make today is going to be the decision that helped you for living for next 40 years of your life with the tag of doctor in it, right in front of it. So please let me know in the comments how you felt the session was, and also do not forget to subscribe and like the video. I'm Ms. Gopika signing off.